Okay, so hi dear Libra, very very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal, no contact love reading for all the Libra, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising for the rest of the month of July 2026. Keep in mind the roles can be reversed also, action can be from your side also, and if it is not resonating, this is definitely not your story. Please don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the readings, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you. Okay, let's see. Okay. For personal reading healing session, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono masterclass, two links are given below. So let's start. The person that you are in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now. I have the Seven of Wands, the Page of Wands, the Two of Wands. Bottom of the deck is a Judgment card. There's a lot of heavy and burdensome energy in this person's life. Apart from this connection or this bond, also there might be kid involved in their energies. Judgment here represents that trying to release everything or everyone that's weighing them down, that's stopping them from moving forward in their life, including this situation too. Why am I saying that? This person is feeling like they should protect themselves, they should protect their peace, they should protect their energies at any cost. And meanwhile, they feel like they should not say anything or do anything in this direction. They're waiting for the time when you guys will be able to at least be friendly with each other, if not in a full-fledged relationship kind of a deal. Especially if you guys are having a kid together, this person is feeling like you guys should at least have a friendly and cordial relationship with each other. But otherwise, this person is feeling like they are not ready to put themselves in any kind of situation where their energies are getting drained, or they're going down, or their life is going down. So they feel like protecting their peace, protecting themselves, protecting their happiness, and they're waiting for the time when they will be able to connect with you again, but in a friendly way, light-hearted kind of a way. Either it's like they're waiting for the right time to connect with you, to talk to you, and or they're waiting for you to approach to them or reach out to them. There's a sense of waiting and watching and hoping that someday you guys will be able to connect with each other on a friendly level. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Libra? I have the Two of Cups and the Five of Pentacles and the Nine of Cups. Bottom of the deck is the Queen of Swords. From inside, this person wants to remain detached and quite practical and logical about the situation. They don't want to like tap into their emotional side and get all emotional about the situation, because whatever happened is still having a impact on them. I don't know what happened between you guys, the reason of separation or breakup or no contact. That thing is having an impact on them right now also, especially if it is a fresh kind of disconnection. Let's say, for example, you guys are not talking from last 2 weeks or 3 weeks or 5 weeks or so, right? So this person just wants to be in this practical and detached kind of energy when it comes to the situation on a deeper level. When it comes to the conscious level energies, this person still sees you as a very important person in their life. They're waiting for the time when they will be able to come out of this this feeling of feeling left out in the cold by you, by the situation. They just want to be happy again in their life. They just want to connect with the right person, the right kind of energy. They're waiting for the time when they are going to be completely over this abandonment issues, or this feeling left out in the cold kind of issue, and then they are going to be happy again with or without you. Now, what is happening here, Libra, is this person is not denying the fact that they still care for you, they still care for this bond or connection. But whatever this bond or connection brings on the table for them, they are not ready for that. First thing. Second thing, they are not denying the fact that maybe you and them are not meant to be together. So they want to be open to the idea of connecting with the right person, right kind of energy, whenever it is supposed to happen, with whomsoever it is supposed to happen, right? So this person is quite in a logical, practical kind of energy right now, where they are hoping for a reconnection with you in a friendly way in the coming future, and their intentions are quite pure that if it is meant to be between you and them, it will happen. If not, they are going to find the right person. That is what their intentions are. But right now they want to remain quite practical about whatever can happen between you guys. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the end of this month, Libra. I have the Five of Swords, the Two of Pentacles, and the Moon card. Bottom of the deck is the Eight of Pentacles. So they want to put in the effort and energy in a direction where they have the control over the outcome, where they know if they are going to put in the effort and energy in a particular direction, they are going to get something good as a return, right? That is why I don't see them taking any kind of action in this direction, because this on and off, in and out, full of confusion, up in the air kind of energy, mysterious, secretive, not crystal clear energies between you guys is it keeps on stressing the hell out of them, and they don't want to put themselves in a difficult position right now. That's why they just want to keep themselves at a safe distance from the situation. There are lots of things in the situation that are unclear, unsaid, unexplained, or not revealed properly to each other, and they don't want to put themselves in a risky kind of a deal anymore. That is why they just want to keep themselves at a safe distance from the situation. That's a conscious choice made by their mind. Their heart is still here, like not like they're crying or sulking and they can't operate. They still care for you, they still have emotions and that bond with you. But again, whatever this situation brings in their life, they are not liking that and they don't want to deal with that at all. At least for the time being, no. Let's see the guidance here for you guys, Libra, for this situation for this month. I have the World card, the Devil card, and the Four of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the Eight of Pentacles. Whenever you're thinking about this situation, you might be thinking like you guys can make things work out between you and this person. You guys can put in the effort and energy from both the sides, and everything can be sorted between you guys. But what you are not keeping in mind is the negativity, the toxicity, the unhealthy attachment, the codependency, the things that were not working out. You might be still living in the hope in that la la land of what could be, what could have been, right? You are not being in the reality and the truth of the situation, that maybe on an individual level you guys are two very good people, but when you guys come together, it becomes a shit show. It becomes a very difficult to deal with kind of energy. So don't forget why things were not working out in the past, why you guys are in no contact, what made you guys go no contact with each other, instead of focusing on instead of living in this illusion that okay, someday we guys are going to make things work out, someday we guys are going to be in a good relationship, everything is going to be perfect, I know it is going to work out because I am putting my manifestation into the universe, they have to come back to me. Don't live in this shit, Libra. Stay in the reality and the truth of the situation as much as you can, because whenever we have whatever we call love is nothing but chemical reactions, the way the kind of love that you guys or society keeps on talking about. Lust and love are two different things. Now you might be having this illusion or delusion, or I don't know what you call it, that someday you guys are going to be happy again, together again, and everything is going to work out because you know it's going to work out. No, honey. Yes, it might or might not, I don't know. But to be honest with you, the more you are going to stick to the reality and the truth of the situation that you guys are dealing with, the more it's going to be easier for you to maybe move on or to get what you want. Like living in any kind of illusion or delusion is going to hurt you very, very deeply, if not immediately, eventually. So look after that. Okay. Okay, so let me answer one of your questions related to this particular situation of your life, Libra. This portion also might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry about it. Just let it be. I'm going to give you 15 to 20 seconds to get the answer. If that's not enough for you, you can pause and unpause whenever you feel like. And if you're not going to get a clear cut yes or no, then you can take the message as the guidance for your situation if you want to. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space. Keep it short, simple, and precise. And your time starts now. Yes. Okay. So the answer to your question is not the right time. Let me read. Sometimes a path or choice might be the right one for you, but the timing is currently off. Instead of giving up on your dream, realize that maybe it needs to be put on hold, or you need to keep working at it a little longer until the stars are aligned. Okay, that is what I have for you for this month. I'll try to do the reading again, once again in this month. So thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.